haven't necessarily pushed me into it in any way, but kind of guided me to say, guided me into like my passions of like the dairy cows and doing all of that and the breeding and things. But it's never been set that I've had to do it. I've always had the option if I wanted to do something else.
Oh, of course, yeah. And also, like, would you say your plans like now are just to keep going, just what you're doing really, and like.
I think so. Yeah, I think I enjoy it. It's such a nice way of life, and like I said, it's tricky and it's hard, and you're working all the time, all sorts of weathers, and stuff seems to continuously go wrong and test you. But I wouldn't want it any other way. There's not many other places in life where you've got a lot of freedom, and working with animals every day, and where we live is just beautiful. Where there's so much that I'm really lucky to have, and I want to continue and like just grow the business. So keep doing what we're doing, but I think also these kind of times you need to diversify in order to survive. So there's a lot of aspects of that, which is like my next challenge. So take what I've got, keep it going, and just build from it, and hopefully improve.
Yeah, for sure. I was also going to ask, like, what your plans for the future are, because, like, you have like a family on the way. So would you say you want your family to like keep going? Like,
I would like to.
yeah,
Yeah, it would be lovely. So I would be now the fourth generation to do this farm, I think, and so it would be a really nice thing to be able to pass it on to the next generation. But again, I will take the same kind of stance as my parents and not expect it, but try and create the passion and the opportunities that I had as a kid, and hopefully that my children and whatnot will want to continue. But again, I won't expect it, but it would be so lovely if we could keep it going.
yeah. I suppose if you have the opportunity, you'd want to just take it. Because I know because I wanted to go into farming, but then I was just like, well, I don't think it would happen just because um, I guess I didn't have the opportunity, and it's very hard to go into it without an opportunity. But yeah, so I'm sure they would like jump at the chance.
Yeah, absolutely. I think if I didn't have this already set up, as much as I like farming, it would be very hard to go into it and get a really good foot in the door, really, because there's a lot of competition. There's a lot of people wanting to get into it, and I've just been super fortunate for it to land the way it has for me.